Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I will be showing you how to propagate Chinese evergreen or Philippine evergreen. These are the plants mostly grown indoors, and they are the plants from the genus of native to humid, shady, and tropical forest habitat. And you can see the lots of branches here. You can see this is the foliage plants and the beautiful, this is the perennial plants, and you can grow indoors, and lots of pups growing out from here. Last year I have grown this plant, and this year you can see at least 30 branches are here, and you can propagate 30 plants from a single plant easily. If you buy from any nursery, they will charge you 150 rupees to 200 rupees, but if you buy once, and after that you don't have to buy again, and you can make it 30 to 40 plants every year. This is the nursery method, nursery secret I am telling you, and you don't need anything for this, and just a simple soil mix. If the best soil mix is comprised of coco peat, vermicompost, garden soil, and cow dung compost, if you have, and if you don't have, then you can use 80% garden soil and 20% compost will do. They don't need much of the care, and you can grow indoors as well as outdoor. And if you have some plastic pot, you can grow in plastic pot, and if you have some earthen pot or clay pot, that is much better. But I have some plastic pot, and today I'll show you two methods of propagation of this Chinese evergreen, or this is the Aglaonema variety, and this comes in variety of color forms. And in this method you don't need any rooting hormone powder. Without rooting hormone powder, just take a blade or sharp knife and sterilize it properly, and just cut off the branches here you see. And whenever you cut off, you just make sure the shapes of your plants does not disturb. And I am cutting from it here, and you can propagate it from its stem or from a root system also. This is also okay. And here I am cutting off this plant with a blade also. And now I show you, if you want to grow another method, you can cut it from the root portions also. From the stems at the root portion, you just pierce this your knife and take off the cut portion along with the roots from here also. That will also nice, but it is not mandatory that there should be any root at all. And just place the stem here, and after placing the stem, fill up the soil mix here properly. And only thing, I will apply here some fungicide, because I don't want they should be rotten, so I will apply fungicide only. And I am not applying any kind of rooting hormone powder, they don't need at all. So this is the evergreen plant, and this is the foliage is very nice. And this is from the Araceae family plant, and the inflorescence is spadix, so sometimes you can see the flowers also in that. And here this is the long and D-shaped step that I am cutting off, and from here I will grow. And that cut portion of the stem you can grow again, the discarded portion, and new branches will come out from there also. So in nursery method, no part is discarded, every part they are propagated. Here I am cutting off here, and from the cut portion also you can grow in soil, and they will new branches will come out from here, and you can get the new plants from there also. So today I am not using that, but this is the nice method, and you can easily propagate. Now time to water the plants. Before applying water, I am mixing some fungicide here. I am applying SAP fungicide. This is the mixture of systemic and contact fungicide, 2 gram per liter. And if you have 2 liters of water, then apply 5 gram, maybe 2.5 liters of water. Here I am applying 1 teaspoonful of this fungicide, around 5 gram of fungicide here. Shake it well, and after shaking it well, just drain the entire plant, and apply some fungicide mixed water in soil also. So drain the plant as well as the soil, and keep it in semi-shade area for around 3 to 5 days. And then you can keep it in 2 to 3 hours direct sunlight. Else if you want, you can grow indoors also. That is also beautiful foliage plants. If you grow in 2 to 3 hours sunlight, then the plants will propagate nicely, and the plants branches will be very nice. And you have to make the shape properly. Whenever you properly shape it, this plant, just cut off the unwanted plants and grow it again. So this is the all of growing aglaonema Chinese evergreen. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you also like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.